compartment or underneath the seat directly in front
No,
of you. If you find that your baggage does not fit in either location, contact the flight attendant immediately so we can check your baggage to ensure it gets on board this aircraft. If you're seated at a bulkhead, this is a seat that has a wall directly in front of you. All items that you have brought on board with you must be placed in the overhead compartments for taxi, takeoff, and landing. This is a federal air regulation, and there are no exceptions to this rule. It does include ladies' purses, briefcases, laptop computers, handbags, cyber bags, band bags, any item that you have brought on board with you, including your food and beverage items. Once again, if you're seated at the bulkhead, nothing may be placed on the floor, strapped to your body, placed underneath the seat directly that you are seated on, placed behind your feet, or placed next to you. We do appreciate your cooperation.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The cockpit, Captain Greg Sullivan, First Officer Magnus Ahold. We'd like to welcome aboard American Flight 2676, now service time to Dallas-Fort Worth. We'll be underway in just a few minutes. Flying time this morning, 2 hours and 12 minutes at 32,000 feet. And weather down in Dallas is showing mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures, beautiful 73 degrees. Let you know to sit back, relax, enjoy the flight in just a few minutes. Your 3 excellent cabin attendants will be sharing some very important safety information. We ask that you please pay close attention to them. Once again, welcome aboard. Thanks for flying American this morning.
Ladies and gentlemen, the forward door is now closed. At this time, please discontinue the use of all personal electronic devices and place them in airplane mode for the remainder of this flight. If you're using larger equipment such as laptop computers or any electronic item that has a keyboard attached, you must now completely power this item down. Safely stow it in the overhead compartment or underneath the seat directly in front of you. They may not be placed in seat back pockets. Flight attendants, please prepare doors for departure. Stand by for all call.